Hugo, what's happening now? What do you tell my husband?
Your husband?
What do you tell my husband about my son? What? You don't know?
I don't know.
What do you tell my husband about Junior?
Your husband?
Go. How could you? How could you?
What have I done again now?
How could you travel to the village and tell my mother some nasty things?
But you tell me say you dey go hospital.
Village.
Now tell me. Tell me the secret concerning Junior's paternity.
She's here, ask her now.
Hugo!
Are you ready to talk?
Hugo?
Are you ready to talk?
Yes, I'll talk.
Talk!
Okay. She got pregnant before you got married to her. She was impregnated by someone who promised to marry her but disappointed her.
Hugo! Philo, is that true?
No! She didn't lie!
Why are you doing this now? Why would I lie? Why would I lie? I'm just telling you the truth, he will forgive you.
Go inside. Go back on your things. You don't be staying here again.
Story. I am 3 months pregnant for your husband.
You're mad!
Philo, not try am again. What happened? You took him away from me. I knew him before you. I am here to take my pound of flesh. And if it may concern you, the mother is aware of this pregnancy, so we die here.
Why did you do all this thing? What happened?
It's like cry crocodile tears, cry kukuruku, you know what happened? I am pregnant, I am here to stay.
Oh God!
I am here to stay. Now we dey here. Others stay for bush. Nonsense.
Tell me. Not true? Is Ugo pregnant for you?
Who is Junior's father?
Why? Junior, now your son.
You lie! You were there when Ugo said it. You couldn't deny it.
I can't explain.
I don't want your explanation. Because I know you're going to lie to me again.
Ugo, they lie for you. Junior, now you're picking. I explain.
You know what? I want you to take your son this minute and leave my house.
Come here. Ugo, they lie for you. Junior, now you're picking. Daniel. Daniel.
What are you still waiting for to leave my house? I'm talking to you.
Leave your house? Bros, I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. As long as this pregnancy is concerned, I am going to stay here.
Do not push me to
No. You pushed me. You pushed me by getting me pregnant. Let me just tell you something. I am here to stay. You must marry me.
Is this really your plan?
I should be the one asking you, is this your plan? After spending 4 years in the university, and what do I get? You want to ruin my life and career? Hell no! You got me pregnant and you do not want to admit it? You don't want to take responsibilities? Well, newsflash, I am here to stay! You must marry me.
You know what? You have failed. That I got you pregnant does not mean I must marry you. So stop deceiving yourself.
Deceiving myself? Papi, you are the one deceiving yourself. I am here to stay. It's our house, our home.
You know what? I'll give you 1 hour to get your belongings and leave this premises. You won't like what I'll do.
Wow, amazing. round of applause for you. Well, let me see the bulldozer you will use to evacuate me from this house. I don't come, I don't go anywhere. I spent 4 years in the university, I did NYSC and you got me pregnant. You think I'll leave? Leave to where? With a craze. With a mad. I will show you streets.
What are you doing here?
Good morning to you too. I moved out from the visitor's room because I'm no longer a visitor's room.
Get out. Get out of this room this minute before I'll throw it out myself.
Calm down. Stop shouting. It won't solve anything.
Say you get out.
Well, remember I'm carrying your child. So I'm not leaving anywhere. This is my room. I mean, it's so big. I love it.
Well, for your information, Philomena has moved back to her people, so I don't know what you're still doing here.
Well, Philomena left because she has no right to be here. Meanwhile, your mother was the one who asked me to move here. So calm down. Stop shouting. This morning.
My mother did what?
You heard me. This bed is so big, so wide. So if you want to, that is so nice.
Hello, Mama.
What have you done? You caused this whole thing. You knew the truth and couldn't speak. I would have told my mother all this. She could have done something about it. What have you done? What have you done? Look at what you done.
What are you still doing here? Eh? What are you still doing here?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? What don't you understand? You know what?
Come here. I'm not going. I said, leave me alone.
I'm going to stop you again.
Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. Hey! I don't want to touch you. 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 I'm not going. I said, push me now. Come on, push me. I'm not going to listen. Look, you're not the one I employed. Get out, too.
I said you should leave this place. You have to leave this place.
No, I will not leave. Mama, leave. You are the one I employed.
Is it your house?
Yeah. Oh, is it your house?
Is it your house?
It's not my house.
Leave it.
It's not my house.
Leave this place. I said
It's not my house.
leave this
I am not leaving.
Hey,
it is only your guy that has the right to tell me to go and now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Come on, enter now.
Go now. Come on, push me. Who go?
Mama, I don't understand. Mama, how can Sister Philomena say that she transferred all her money into her husband's account? Mama, who does that kind of thing now? Eh? In this age, who does that kind of thing?
I don't know what Daniel did to my daughter. I don't even know that my daughter Philo is the breadwinner of that house.
Mama, I don't want to know who is the breadwinner. Mama, I don't care who feeds the family. Mama, all I care of now is that Brother Daniel will return back all my sister's money, including her cars. Mama, he must return it back.
Where is she?
Mama, I don't know.
Huh?
Sister Philomena left with her son. I don't know where she went to. Eh? But I blame her for this. Had it been that Sister Philomena did not allow that wicked woman to her home, all this wouldn't have happened. She gave room to all of them to come in. She came and the marriage is now scattered.
But I know that all this was planned by Daniel's mother. Because she hates my daughter from onset.
Mama, I know. I know. What you're saying is just the truth. Eh? Mama, I'm angry. Mama, I came to see my sister in her home. My sister gave me just 5,000 naira for transportation. And she was even hiding. She didn't want the husband to know that she was giving me money for transport. Mama, what kind of marriage is that?
Ordinary 5,000.
Eh? Mama, transport. I begged my sister for 30,000 naira to start up something in this village. But she refused and gave me just 5,000 naira for transportation. Mama, that is a sheer wickedness. From my own blood, my own sister.
I said it. Daniel bewitched my daughter. that Philomena no longer know her family. Omazimda ebo cha-cha! Ebo nefe Daniel Oka Harose. Can you adekwana?
Mama, all I know is that Daniel will suffer for this.
Bam!
Mama, in this life, Daniel will suffer for everything she has done to my sister.
Must suffer.
Mama, Daniel will suffer for it.
Just
left her empty-handed. No money, no car, nothing. Mama, that is wickedness. That is the height of wickedness.
Have you heard the news going on around town?
What news?
Yeah, you've not heard. Your girlfriend is pregnant for another man.
I've heard it. That was why I was so weak for some days now. I heard it.
You heard and you are so down. Do you even know the person that she's pregnant for?
What do you expect me to do? I mean, what do you expect me to do? To be sincere, what do you want me to do? That my girlfriend is pregnant for another man? What should I do?
That is what I'm asking. Do you know the person that she's pregnant for?
No.
You don't know?
I don't know. I don't care to know.
Okay. She's pregnant for one married man like that. Just one married man who leaving us, pocha men, Mwaka highway, sweet boy say they come, you understand? She left us and went there to go and be with a married man. You are here.
Wait. You are joking. You are joking.
It's very serious.
Married man?
Yes, now.
This girl went and fought for a married man.
Not even a enough men like us. A young boy say he's going for joking. Wait, forget the joking. The reason why I came here is this. I want you to go back. Okay, for that 30,000 naira that you gave to her. Go and bring back that 30,000 naira. Okay, bring that 30,000 naira. Then you give me that 5,000 naira that I asked for. And you pay your 5,000 naira levy. Then you can keep the other one for yourself. But that 30,000 naira, I want you to go and bring it. When are you going to bring it? That is the main thing. Eh? Tell me when you are going to bring back the money. And you know, I want to use that 5,000 naira to buy pant and bra for my girlfriend. So try as much as you can to bring that money. That is the only thing I want to hear. Carry your cross, let me carry my cross.
You call me sweetheart. What did you say that packing? Did you employ her?
Her services are no longer needed.
Go inside.
Okay, sir.
You should block me, push her.
I should push her.
You asked her to push me.
Yes, I did. Since you can't respect yourself in this house. I knew that very night that girl took you to her house. She was up to something. I knew it.
And now she has refused to leave my house.
Brother, I think the biggest mistake you made was to allow Philo to leave your house. Now Ugo has refused to go.
Chikube, forget about Philo. She betrayed me.
She did not. Yes. She was here yesterday. She told me everything that happened. Yes.
Well, forget about what she told you, because I won't believe it.
I believe what she told me. She can't lie to me. Yes.
Well, I just want to let this girl out of my house. I don't want to talk about Philomena right now. I'll see you before I leave the village.
All I have to tell you is to be careful, bro. Be careful. Okay?
Shekube, I'll see you later.
Alright.
Problem everywhere. Big man has problem. Poor man has problem too. But it's better to be rich with problem than to be poor like me without problem. This life. Very funny life. You mean we don't have any food items left?
We have little tin tomatoes and granite oil left.
It's okay. I've seen the list. By tomorrow I'll transfer money to your account so you can go to the market.
Okay. No problem.
I'll be going for antenatal tomorrow. I said I'll be going for antenatal tomorrow.
How does that concern me?
Because I need 50,000 naira.
I don't have money.
You don't have money? What about the huge amount of money Philo's transferred to your account? Or you think I do not know about the money? I was the one who personally persuaded her to send that money. So please, make 50,000 naira available for tomorrow. Biko, I need to use it. Please. Thank you.
This girl is a devil. Now I understand why she persuaded her to transfer that money to me. I know what to do. Let's see how she'll get the money. What are you doing? Let me have the you.
Jesus.
Are you okay?
What's wrong with you?
What are you doing in my car?
What's your problem?
What are you doing with the car? Which car are you doing something? Which car are you doing something? Now your car? He said it's car. See, I don't come to come possess my possession.
Which possession?
I go slap you. If I slap you, this your eye pencil, you go clean. I go slap you. I won't come collect my possession. My car, my money when you make me transfer to your account. Give me everything now, no one trouble.
You have transferred everything to his account. You
have will you get down from that?
This is my sister's car.
Eh?
Yes. God go bless you, Peter. God go bless you.
Come here from that car.
What are you talking about?
I say give me my money, my car paper and everything. I want go.
Which money?
I got that kind of question.
See, take your useless brother out of my house.
Get out.
Una dey craze? Which house? No be house wey me I dey pay for. So as I dey pay for house, where I can't leave man for the house don't become man house.
This is my house.
No, it's not that kind of nonsense. No wahala. Let me dey cook your own strength. Take am. Give my car key. Give me all my money.
Brother Daniel, we are not going anywhere. You do exactly as my sister just said. Okay. Go in and bring the papers to this car.
I go slap you.
Okay.
Please go. Don't do your worst now.
Now the document you want,
yes.
The keys.
Yes.
I'll bring them. Just wait.
Give me.
Sorry.
Yes.
And
now you know say you go beg.
What are you doing?
And now,
no,
when you want conquer for your head, when you want conquer for this in head, when we say no hair on top, you know say you go pay them. You know say we go beg that time.
We should go now.
And now you dey beg. Give me the paper.
Bring the papers.
Are you or not? No, come and get the car keys. Come and collect it. Nonsense. Come and collect it.
Mama, is that why you came without informing me?
Yes, because I am bothered. I knew Philomena can never be my daughter-in-law.
Excuse me.
Let me finish. Daniel, Ugo is a wife material. And I thank God she's pregnant for you.
Mama.
My love, please, listen to your mother. I am going to take care of you. I will love you more than anything in this world. I'll give you everything you want. I'll take care of you. I'll feed you. I'll feed you well. Thank you, Mama.
Daniel, did you hear that? Has Philomena ever said such sweet words to you? All these years you have been with her. Has she? Make Ugo your wife. And you will never regret it.
Mama.
You will not regret it.
Mama, are you really advising me to take another wife?
Oh yes! Can't you see the handwriting of Philomena on the wall? That she has disappointed you. Can't you see it? She has disappointed you. Then where are you going? Oh, you walking out on me? Your mother?
Mama, Mama, I want you to convince him. Talk to him, he's your son. Please, I'll do anything you want me to do. Please.
Relax. Relax. With this your pregnancy, Daniel has no option than to marry you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Boji. Thank God Philomena has come. I told her I am Scorpion. I've been around. Philomena, what are you? You not so pregnant though. You see? No. My tummy. Help me! Who will help you? Me, help you. Would you please come? Me, come! Stand up! You want to hit me, right? Stand up and hit me! Would you please? Don't call my name. Don't even mention my name. Would you please forget it? Stand up! Stand up and fight! Would you please, my tummy? I swear, if you mention Uju again, I will just hit you this week. I will not hit you now, I'll just pound you! I'll pound you like crayfish! What would you again? Stand up! I thought you had strength! Stand up! Stand up! Don't mention me! Would you please?
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, fine. You're welcome. I hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well at all. Your daughter has caused a very big problem in my daughter's marriage.
My daughter?
Yes.
How?
Mama, your daughter Ugo is sleeping with my sister's husband. My sister accepted your daughter into her home to stay with them for a while before she can get an accommodation and leave. Your daughter started sleeping with my sister's husband. In my very own eye, Mama.
My own daughter?
Mama, Ugo was sleeping with my sister's husband. I was there, live and direct.
Listen, Peter. I know of my daughter staying with your sister in her home. But not my daughter sleeping with your sister's husband. Ugo cannot do it.
Mama.
Hold on. I know my daughter very well. Peter, Okane, you know my daughter cannot do such
I
thing.
know your daughter, but your daughter has done it.
My daughter cannot do it. You people should not lay this allegation upon my daughter.
Mama, I am a Catholic.
Don't accuse my daughter.
Mama, I am a Catholic. I don't lie.
Peter, I'm also a Catholic.
Mama, I was there. My sister's husband chased my sister and I away because of your daughter.
You don't even want to listen. You don't want to listen.
How can I listen to these cheap lies?
Okay.
You cannot accuse my daughter of sleeping with your sister's husband.
No,
and you expect me to keep quiet.
No problem. Don't keep quiet. But let me remind you. If you did not call your daughter and tell your daughter to leave my daughter's husband alone, you will not like what I will do if I come back here again.
Mama,
I will so deal with her that you will not recognize her again. It's
okay. This is an accusation. Just call her. To leave that place. Call her to leave my sister's husband alone.
I've heard what you said.
Mama, let's go. Let us go.
Why are you?
Mama, let's go. She'll call her.
Hey. Could this be the man Ugo was telling me about that wants to marry her? How come? Hey. I have to come in.
You're now crying. You are crying. You see what you have brought upon yourself? Just look at you.
It was your fault.
It was nobody's fault.
It was your fault. If you had sent Uju back and all this wouldn't have happened to me.
Ugo, let me ask you. Why should you even chase my house girl away? Did you employ her?
You're very wicked.
Me, wicked. Let me tell you. The only thing that was keeping you in this house is no more. So you have to leave.
I'm not going anywhere.
You will leave my house this minute. Wait for me.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Stop crying and tell me what really happened. Auntie Go, it's okay. So tell me what happened.
Daniel chased me out of the house.
What did you do? Talk to me.
I lost the pregnancy.
What? How?
I have lost everything. Everything. I have lost everything.
Hey!
I'm a loser.
Hey! Please stop crying. It's okay.
I'm a loser.
You are not a loser.
I'm a loser.
You are not a loser. Hey! It's okay. Stop crying.
I'm a loser.
I'm not a loser. Please stop crying.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
Hey. Sorry.
This one you said that I should keep drinking. Look
My
at
guy.
I don't know.
Enjoy yourself.
I will drink.
On my bill. On my bill.
I will drink, my brother. That is why I'm here. I am enjoying myself now.
Bills on TNT.
No. Wait first. See, this one, I've not opened this one up. This one is done already.
You don't understand.
My brother, what is going on?
You've not heard the news? I thought you are the BBC. Now I'm the CNN. I am the CNN now.
Yes, you can take everything, my brother.
You mean you've not heard the news going on around town? No, you must be joking. Ugonna had a miscarriage. She could not have the baby.
Yeah? You mean that she what are you trying to say? That Ugonna did not deliver the baby or what? What happened to the child?
Do I know? How are you supposed to? Am I the doctor or the nurse? Why are you asking me that? What I know is that the wicked will never go unpunished. Like I always tell you.
Amen.
She made me go through hell. What I went through, the emotional trauma, it was massive.
I even heard that the husband threw her out of the house, sent her packing.
What are you saying? Which husband? Was she married to the man? A married man, you say husband. The man, I even heard from a reliable source that the man said the baby is not for him.
You
didn't hear that?
No. Hey, Wanna, you are lucky. What goes around comes around.
I told you that
see, you have to call for more drink because today I am ready for you.
TNT, bring more drinks, more bottles on the table. Bills on me. Yeah. I'm so happy.
Call them for more. Yes.
TNT. More drinks.
You are not the devil.
Ugoma is my enemy. Ugoma is my enemy.
Thank God. We'll drink.
What have you come here to do? Leave my house or I'll kill you for ruining my life.
I have come to beg for forgiveness. Please forgive me. I know that I have ruined your life. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel ashamed of myself. I have come to tell you the truth.
What truth?
Junior is truly your son. I lied. The pregnancy I told you that night, Philo lost that pregnancy before she got married to you. It was just me that I was the only one who knew about the pregnancy, and I spilled it out because of my selfishness.
You are a liar. You've been lying from the very beginning.
Okay, can you just hear me out? Now this here is the truth. I am not lying. Please bring back Philo. I only said all these things because of my selfishness. I didn't know that I was going to ruin everything like this. I'm so... Please. You can shoot me if you want to, but I'm telling you the truth.
Now, are you ready to tell me the truth?
The truth is that Philo is your wife and Junior is your son. Yes, that's the truth. I lied. I am sorry. I am so sorry. So sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ebuka, I am now a keke rider in this village. Ebuka, can you imagine that I went to my sister's place for her to help me with just 30,000 naira for me to start oil and gas business in this village? Ebuka, so that I can live large like my fellow young youths. Ebuka, my sister agreed to give me the 30,000 naira I asked of her for me to start up oil and gas business in this village. But Ebuka, her husband, that white cow, just came. He started snitching around, prognosing into business that does not concern him. Ebuka, at the end, my sister gave me just 5,000 naira for transportation.
5,000?
Ebuka, just 5,000 naira.
What is
now I am here as a keke rider.
What can 5,000 do for you?
Nothing! Just transport. It's not even enough for me to come out to this village.
So how come you afford money to buy beer?
Ebuka, because I'm not riding keke. I'm not making money from keke. See me now. Ebuka, my in-law is here. He said he's the man of the house. Now you've gone to my own house. This is my own house. And I'm the man of the house.
But this one you're holding drink and you have to calm down. Take it easy.
Wait, Ebuka.
Peter, take it easy.
Make it do.
My brother.
Oh, Ebuka, wait. Ebuka, wait. Ebuka, leave me. Ebuka, leave me. Oh, Ebuka, leave me. Ebuka, this man treated me bad.
I know.
Ebuka, this man.
Calm down.
Oh, Ebuka.
Calm down. Let's
Ebuka. Ebuka, wait.
Please, calm down.
Ebuka, other people do have an in-law that will treat them good.
I know.
Ebuka, this man allowed me to kneel down under the scorching sun.
Calm down. Calm down.
Ebuka, leave me alone.
Calm down.
Hi.
Calm down. Come in.
Hi.
Come in.
Peter, calm down. Calm down, I say stop! And you, what is good about this day? And what are you doing in my house? What?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. I came to see Philo. I have found out the truth concerning Junior's paternity. Junior is my son. Our son.
Not in this house. All I'm telling you now is to return all my daughter's property that is in your possession, including her money.
Everything, including the cars.
Mama,
Hey.
I'll return everything. I am ready to return everything. I just want to see Philo. I want to apologize to her, Mama. I'm sorry.
Apologize. Apologize. Daniel, we don't need your apology. Daniel, we don't want you again as our in-law. You're a lazy man. You don't work. No, we don't need you.
My daughter Philo, you don't deserve to be her husband. Never!
Mama,
you have heard my son.
I don't know what came over me. I know I've not been a good husband, Mama. To prove that I'm truly sorry, Mama, here are all the documents for our 2 cars, Mama. And even the check.
Give me the documents! Give me! Give me!
Mama, even the check, she transferred the money to my account. Everything is intact, Mama. I am sorry. Mama, forgive me.
Junior, check it very well. Can you sure?
Leave here now! Leave here now!
Going on? What is actually going on? What the hell is happening here? Daniel. I have been calling Daniel for a while now. He won't take my calls. He won't return my calls. What is going on? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I sincerely hope. No, Daniel, you don't want to die. I hope Daniel is not ignoring my calls because of the money I gave to him. 500,000 naira that I lent him. Is it? Okay, no, he can't. Of course, he would not dare. He cannot try it. Daniel, you can't try it. Oh, yes, you can try it. Ah! Honey, you startled me. I didn't know you were here. Excuse me.
Hold it! Who is Daniel? I am asking you a question. Who is Daniel?
My driver. Is my driver.
Your driver?
Yes.
Your driver that lives in one of our rooms, or where? Your driver that I don't know?
Must you know everything about me, honey? Must you know everybody, my friends, people I keep, my workers? Must you know them all? Must you?
Give me that phone.
My phone?
Give me that phone! Now!
Honey, my phone! Honey! Daniel is such a disgrace. I can't believe that Philo has been the one doing everything and Daniel claims he has been the one taking care of us. I can't believe that Philo has been the brain behind everything that Daniel has been doing for us.
This is still very awkward to believe. It's unbelievable. You mean everything in Daniel's possession belongs to his wife?
Exactly! Ijia, the cow, even the money he used in renovating our house, everything belongs to Philo.
Akukombongo. Hey, this is unbelievable. Daniel name buga. The day he came to this village, he was bugaing. Hey, I can't believe this. Oh, I can't believe this. Daniel.
Thank God that we went to beg Philo and she accepted to come back to the house. I'm so happy that finally she'll be back to the house.
Wait, you mean Daniel threw his wife out of the house?
Which house? Does Daniel have a house? The house belongs to Philo. I believe that even the boxer he wears is Philo that bought them.
Hey! Hey! Which means Daniel is the wife now, Philo is the husband.
You've seen it now?
Daniel got married to Philo now.
You've seen it?
Philo is the husband.
If not that Daniel is my blood, I would have denied him as a brother.
Hey! Hope you people collected his groom price.
Please don't make me laugh, please.
You people not collect any groom price.
Don't make me laugh, please.
No, it's normal now. It's obvious now. Daniel is the wife, while Philo is the husband. Hi.
I mean, how can a man sit down, a woman will clothe you, a woman will feed you, a woman will pay your house rent, and you'll still be claiming to be the man of the house?
No, Daniel is his wife.
You're going to hear now. It's obvious.
Daniel is married to his wife.
The enemy is not far away. It might be someone that is close to you. They may smile in your presence and plan evil at the back.
Daddy! Junior! Come. Junior. Miss you so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry.
Dan. Everybody don't beg me for your matter. Everybody. You shock me. I don't forgive you, but I no go fit forget. Your character from today, now go determine whether I go forget her. Because you shock me well.
I'm sorry. I'm a changed man now. Sorry.
She acts like she cares, but her heart is full of fever. She's an unfriendly friend. Her presence brings up disaster. She's an unfriendly She's a wolf in the coat of sheep. She's ready to devour. She's the enemy, a green snake in a green grass. Unfriendly friends, unfriendly friends. They're friends and they're enemy. Enemies stay far away, but the worst enemy is someone you call your friend. A smile.
Now? Is this the young man in question? Answer me! Is it the young man in question? Answer me! Is he? Yes. Good. Officers, arrest this man. Sir, what's my offense?
Shut up. You're under arrest.
Sir, I can explain.
Shut up! When you get to the station, you know why you have been arrested. Now move!
Sir, I can... Wait, what are you going to... Move! Sir, let me lock my door. Make sure he doesn't go. Go with him! Go with him! Come on, move! Move! I can move it! Sorry, I didn't do anything. Move! I didn't... Move! Move! Hey. Move! Hey!
Philo there? Auntie Philo?
My friend, enter the car. Enter the car now! Good job!
Hey, yeah. Messiah, boy. Esse boy. I'm gonna come back here. Yeah. Oh, hey, I joy. Mela, me look what beating us so. Yeah. Send that joy. Yeah. Open for joy. The enemy is not far away. It might be someone that is close to you. They may smile in your presence. I'm planning full at the back. I was in a bomber to reprove me by a jesso. I drop by a jonana. I'm in on so. Onye mama de nebuya. Nesayem bala boy. Esse boy, I'm gonna come back.